Starting the vlog a little late. It's 8 p.m. and I just finished dinner. So magpapack na ako pala ngayon because I have a flight to Manila tomorrow at 7 p.m. ba naman. So yeah, let's pack. So this is the luggage that I got from TikTok. This is a hand carry. Parang pwede pang check-in. Ipa-check-in to sa akin. Nagbayad ako ng hindi oras. Pero mas malaki pa nga yung isa ko. Pero inano ko yan, binagage. So yeah. May naririnig kayong maingay. It's my cat. So this is from Tea Party, the 20-inch travel luggage. So yeah, let's pack. Check. It's almost 10 and I'm done packing. Yan lang. Sana hindi lumampas. So big! Uy! It's things. Hello.
I'd like to end my talk. Actually, it should be the first.
This plaque of appreciation to Honorable Erwin M. Commissioner, Professional Regulation Commission, for share.
All hereby solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines, that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. I further solemnly swear that at all times and place I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules generally accepted by the nutrition and dietetics profession in the Philippines, that I will well and faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties and obligations incumbent upon a duly registered nutritionist dietitian. So help me God.
Next, we have Central Mindanao University.
Sarap. We're on our second plate and this is the menu. Chicken potato salad, mini croissant, I don't know, ham and cheese sandwich and this pretty little thing. I don't know. Wow! One egg. They're having photo opportunity. Say hi. What's your rating? Which is your favorite among as a picky eater? You have to be ini, ang high school kami. Nagayat kami. Ito mga familiars. Mga sunod talaga kapunta. Hindi talaga, di talaga ako sa kapat na. Alam mo na ba sana?
University of the Philippines, Los Baños. Please come in front to prepare for your photo ops. And please stand by University of Perpetual Health System Laguna Binyan. And also please stand by Emilio Aguinaldo College, Manila. Please stand by Emilio Aguinaldo College, Manila.